Promotions are a really big part of the industry and present both an opportunity and a problem for both retailers and manufacturers because they are so significant. Volume on deal now is 2 in every 3 of these bottles are bought on promotion, and the depth of deal they're giving is much higher than it used to be. And the problem that poses is simply that there's much less money in the industry to fund growth and innovation. You're promoting promiscuity, so the shopper comes in, they look for the deal, they try to get the best deal possible, and they'll switch brands very readily. So it undermines innovation, it undermines brand loyalty, and very simply, it costs a phenomenal amount of money. The 12% giveaway that's the average in the UK at the moment represents billions of pounds, well over £10 billion a year. And that hits obviously the ability of the industry to carry on growing and investing, both at the retail and at the manufacturer level. Now the UK is not unique. This is a global issue. So it's an issue in the UK where deals probably comprise well over 50% of products sold now in the grocery area. But it's the same issue in the States, over 40% of product, and it's been growing all over the continent. So if you went to France or Germany, 20% of the products will be bought on deal. It's a big issue, and it threatens the development of the industry going forward. So the real agenda for the industry needs to be to innovate. But to innovate, you need money. You need to be able to put resources behind it. You need to look at ways of developing new value for the consumer. And over the last 12 months, you've started to see actually value falling out of categories. The value of a lot of important categories has started to turn from growth to decline. And that just reflects the amount of promotion, the amount of pressure on the manufacturer and the retailer, but obviously also on the shopper in the face of the recession. A lot of people treat promotion as a given. It's almost a cost of doing business. But the reality is there's a lot you can do inside the envelope of promotion to get much more value out of the money that you're investing in it. And what we do at Symphony RI is actually to help clients do that at both the manufacturing level and at the retail level. So if you take a fixture like this, you need to work out not just what price you need to be on the fixture, but also what kind of mechanic do you want to choose for promotion. Is it going to be a multi-buy? Is it going to be a round pound like these rollback promotions? There are lots of different options. And actually the shopper doesn't respond the same to all of them. So on different mechanics in different places in the store and on different brands in the category, the response is quite different. So working out which products to promote, how deep a deal to offer, and where to go and get promotion in store is actually quite important and can make a huge difference. On some clients that we've worked with, that can make a difference in one brand in one category of £250,000 a week. It's a huge amount of money. Promotions present a real dilemma for businesses. On the one hand, they can't afford not to do them, and on the other hand, they're struggling to afford to do them. A lot of companies feel very pressed by them, both retailers and manufacturers, but it's not something that you can't do anything about. There is actually an enormous amount, and the industry is making strides into this. As the analytics that companies like ourselves use start to pull out what creates real value, there is the opportunity for the industry to start to move back onto the front foot and really start to put growth and innovation back on the agenda.